Hey YouTube, just a quick video. As you know, I picked up this new snowblower, and the wheels typically do not come pre-greased. So if you have regular standard petroleum grease in your garage, use that, that's fine. But if you have to choose and you could afford it, buy this one. It'll help you in the long run. Hang tight, I'll show you how to apply it. This is lithium. I've seen some lithium before that I actually go hard, so I'll skip this for this use. That was nice and quick. Good stuff. Reinstall it. Beautiful. Do the same thing on the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Peace.